My name is Killian.
My name is Elliot.
This year we have challenged ourselves to cook everything in the Sonic cookbook. Today we are cooking scones!
We have all our ingredients measured out and we're ready to get started. We're going to add 3 cups of flour. Then we're going to add some sugar. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to add baking powder. And finally, we're going to add butter. Make sure to leave it out for an hour to soften. And then we're going to stir.
So he's going to add 1 cup of buttermilk and some vanilla extract, and then we're going to stir.
Quite satisfying.
We're going to roll it, cut it, and then we're going to put it in the oven. We're going to put the scones in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes.